Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a tooltip and a custom error message into your Lightning input component field. Here, as you can see, there is no helping text or tooltip with your label, but at the bottom one, you can see we have added a custom tooltip which will show you a helping text message. Also in your first input field, if you click outside, since it's a required field, you will get this default error message. But if you come to the below one and click outside, this is also a required field, but I have added a custom error message. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do both of this. Now, go into your Lightning Studio. I have my Lightning Studio opened here. Now, in your Lightning input, please go ahead and add the attribute called field level help along with your custom message. Please go ahead and save this and refresh the page. It would be better if you do MD cache and hard reload. Now, as you can see in our first input Lightning component, we have added a tooltip and we are getting our custom message. Now, we will go back to our Lightning Studio and add another attribute called message when value missing. This is the attribute which will show your custom error message for a required field. Type in your message, hit save, and same as the last time, please reload. And this time, if you click outside, voila, you have your custom error message coming. That is all for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please post it down in the comments. Catch you in the next video. Thank you.